A professional email address gives your business credibility and ensures that your target audience can connect with you. This is tutorial number 19, email. Hi, I'm Candace. Welcome to Websites Made Easy with Candace. The tutorials in this series are based on my book, I Need a Website, What Do I Do Now? If you'd like to follow along, you can purchase my book at Amazon.com. Use your business name or your domain name in your email address to convey a sense of professionalism, brand awareness, and consistency. People are more likely to open an email if they recognize the business name. The email format is name plus at your business and then the extension, Candace@amazingwebsites.org. That's what I use. It's more familiar, and it's important in my business to build relationships with my clients. You can also use your first initial and your last name, ccarson@amazingwebsites.org. That's more businesslike, especially if you have a lot of employees. Never use contact or info@amazingwebsites.org. Websites should be interactive. They should bring people to your business. And if you have a name, they will feel more comfortable about contacting you. If you just have contact or info, it doesn't mean as much. You want to establish a relationship. You want to get them to email you. All website builder programs offer email hosting. It's easy to set up. You want it to be free of advertising, so you will be charged a few dollars a month, and prices range anywhere from $3 to $10 a month. Lulu has a domain, ziggyandlulu.com, on Wix. So let's open up Wix and go to the dashboard of ziggyandlulu.com. Under Site Actions, there are 4 columns. Click on Get a Mailbox. So if I wanted to get a mailbox from Wix for Lulu, I can, but it's going to cost me $6 or more a month in order to get that mailbox. And I don't want to pay $6 a month. So there are options that you can do it for free. Growing businesses and large companies should have a separate web hosting site for their emails. If you don't want to pay the monthly fee to have your email set up on your website platform, you can easily set up a business email for free. These are the most popular. ZOHO is very popular with small businesses. It's an Indian company, and it's great if you want to have multiple accounts. Yandex is the largest server in Russia, and if you need to have translations, it's a great site to have. Outlook is easy to work with, but it does seem to take a little bit more time to upload. Megado is Swiss, and it offers unlimited email domain storage and email addresses. GMX is popular in Germany. It offers 65 gigabytes of storage, and you can send up to 50 megabytes of pictures. That's twice any of the other ones. Gmail is rated the best overall, but unfortunately, the free option is only for personal email accounts. Business emails start at $6 a month. So let's take a look at ZOHO, which is the most popular business email service. So we're going to go to ZOHO.com, and on their homepage, we're going to click on Email. The next page, it says Get Started with Ad-Free Email. They've already clicked Business. We're going to sign up for free, and you see the prices. But if you scroll down for every free plan, this is what makes ZOHO so popular. We're going to provide the domain. And then we're going to fill in all the information for registration, and then you sign up. That brings you to the page. Your account has been created, and they sent you a verification code. to your mobile phone. When you get that, you want to put it in there. You will notice under Save Password, you have one last chance to change the username. I'm going to leave it as administration. And then you're going to click Verify My Mobile. This takes you to the next page. Enable two-factor authentication. You can do this later, so I'm going to click Remind Me Later. Now we have to go through this checklist. The first thing we're going to do is verify the domain. So ziggyandlulu.com is at Wix. I set that up at Wix. I'm going to verify the domain name by CNAME method. This is the host, the name of the host, and this is the name of the value. So you're going to have to go back in, you're going to have to copy these and paste them into the website at Wix. So let's copy the first one, the host name. I go into my Wix dashboard, choose Site Actions, Manage Domain. This opens my ziggyandlulu.com domain. I'm going to click here, and I'm going to manage DNS records. And here's the name. This is my alias. Edit this. And then I'm going to put the new name in there. This is the alias name, which we've copied. So I go back here, that. Then we go back and get the value, or that points to destination. Copy that one. Go back, points to destination. Type that in. And we're going to do 30 minutes. That's the time frame. And we're going to do save. Save changes. Now we're going to go back to the Wix dashboard. We're going to drag down to the bottom of the page and click Verify by CNAME. We're going to leave admin, create account. We've checked off domain, now we have to add users. So proceed to add users, click on that. And we're going to put Lulu on there. Fill in the information. Hit OK. So we have Lulu and we have admins. Username Lulu, we're going to save the password. Back to setup. We've clicked that off. The next one, we have to create groups. We don't need to do that, so we're going to skip it. So now you need to configure the mail exchange. Now you're going to copy the 3 addresses and priority codes. So choose your domain provider. That's Wix again. And notice below they give you the steps to add MX records into your Wix DNS. Now let's go back to the Wix site, and you drag down to MX Mail Exchange and click here. You're asked to choose your email provider. ZOHO is not listed in the list, so you choose Other. Now we're going to copy the 3 addresses and add them into the Wix MX records. Go back, priority 10. We have 3 records to add, so you click Add Another and add the other 2. When you finish, it should look something like this. The 3 addresses that you've added will point your domain to your free ZOHO email account, saving you $6 a month. So let's see if it's set up correctly. Let's go to ZOHO homepage, click on your mail, access ZOHO mail. And there we go, new mail, you're set up. Hello, Lulu Carson, welcome. So then they'll take us through some settings. Let's access our mail. We already have a welcome email. So now let's see if it's working. We want to send an email. I'm going to open my Gmail account. I'm going to write an email to Lulu Carson at ziggyandlulu.com. Then I'm going to open Lulu's ZOHO account, and there it is. So it works. And the last thing I need to do with this is make sure that I can reply to the email and then check and see who the email is coming from. And you can see here it's from Lulu Carson at ziggyandlulu.com. That's what you want. If security is a priority, these companies have a built-in security for user protection. Proton Mail is probably the most popular. They do have a free plan and a basic plan that starts at $6.25 a month. MailFence also has a free basic plan. HushMail offers a plan at $5.99 a month, and Countermail offers a plan at $4.83 a month. These companies offer encrypted messages, ensuring that no third parties can access your emails. If they offer a free plan, you can always upgrade to a paid account and get more storage, and the option to create corporate email addresses. These email services have a basic design, and it may take some getting used to before you feel comfortable working with it. Since the whole idea of encrypted email accounts is security, you can't easily port your current email address from one service to another. In other words, you can't take a secure email account and then import it into a Gmail account so you can have all your accounts together. You can, however, have messages sent to your secure email account. You just can't move them from that account to another. As a small business owner, you don't have a lot of extra time to spend handling all your email accounts, personal and business. So you want to put all your accounts in Gmail. It's free and it's simple to set up. This only works with unencrypted accounts. You house all your email accounts, whether they're on Yahoo or AOL or ZOHO, in one place. And you access them from one account using one password. And if you want to send emails, you do it from one place too. Lulu now has an email account at Yahoo and at ZOHO. And what I want to do is take those accounts and put them in my Gmail account. So all of my emails are in one place. I have websites made easy with Candace, amazing websites. I have Candace Carson. So I open my websites made easy with Candace Gmail account. I click on the setting and then click on see all settings and then accounts and import, and then go down import mail and contacts. You see here you can import mail from Yahoo, Hotmail, any other website that you want. So I'm going to import mail and contacts. What account do you want to import from? And that's going to be Lulu Carson at yahoo.com. Continue. Now it's checking to see if I have that email account at yahoo.com. Sign into your other email account to confirm import, and then press continue and follow the instructions. So continue. Now you're going to agree to allow Shuttle Cloud Migration to access your Yahoo Mail account. And then you're going to close the window. Now you're going to start the import. Everything's being imported, all to a Gmail account. Now Lulu Carson at yahoo.com is importing to Gmail. And it's going to take up to 2 days before everything is all set. And then I can also add the ZOHO account. And that's it. When it does come in, it usually doesn't take 2 days. When you open your Gmail account, you'll see a yellow bar at the top saying that the import was complete. And all messages in the future will be forwarded to your Gmail account. And then when you click on your profile picture, all your accounts will be listed, and you can access them by just clicking on them. You don't have to go into the individual accounts, and you don't need to have a password. The only password you'll need is the one to access your Gmail account. It makes it so much simpler. I mean, you got to do it. You have to have a professional business email account. And you don't have to pay for it, because I've shown you how to get it for free. And I know we've gone through a lot of steps today, and it seems a bit complicated, but it really isn't. And there's a lot of help out there for you. You can either go through my tutorial again, or you can ask for help from the email hosting company that you choose. There's all kinds of information on their website. They'll email you step-by-step instructions. They'll chat with you. You can even call them. And maybe you decide, well, maybe this year it's worth the $6 a month for the first year, so I don't have to deal with this. And that's fine too. And next year you can set it up for free. And look at my tutorial once again. Whatever you decide, you need to have a business professional email account because it gives you legitimacy. It's a necessary part of your business. In tutorial number 20, I will show you how to write a blog. You got to have a blogging section on your website because it'll keep your website fresh and current. It's going to generate traffic to your site. It'll establish you as an authority, and Google will notice you too and send more prospects your way. And as usual, it's going to be fun, so check it out. Lulu got a haircut. And you look nice. We'll see you next time.